Hello, and welcome to this video on how to replace the SIM card in your GL series GPS trackers. These instructions should apply to Enduro trackers modeled GL200, GL300, GL300W, GL300MG, and others with similar designations. In order to do this, we're going to need a small Phillips screwdriver. There should be one included in the tracker's original box. To start, we're going to turn off the device by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. You should see all the unit's lights flash, which indicates the unit is powering down. Note that this may take a couple of minutes to complete, during which the lights may remain on. We're now going to locate the two small screws holding in the SIM tray on the side of the unit. You can identify it by the SIM card shaped markings on the tray. Now, remove the screws, taking care not to lose them. Next, use your fingernail to pull out the SIM tray. Be sure you grab the tray by the middle to pull out the remainder. Pulling the edges of the SIM tray can result in damage. Remove the previous SIM. Take the new SIM card and with the metal contacts down, place it into the empty tray. Now, replace the tray by sliding it back into the unit. Reattach the screws. Do not over-tighten them. By this time, your device should have powered off completely. You may now hold the power button until you see your device start to power up. Happy tracking, and thanks for watching.